There is a wondrous place not far away. It's a land inside a big old house where letters were complained. KIDS and their letter friends, they are here inside this world, seem to never end. They're unforgettable. They are incredible. We got alphabet adventures because we're letters.
Whoa.
Alphabet.
Awesomeness.
Alphabet.
On your way.
Alphabet.
It is fun.
Adventures. Alphabet adventures.
The Big Storm. It was a really wet day, and all the letters were outside out the pond. Man, what a very rainy day. I know, F, but I like to swim in the rain. Okay, I will turn into a duck. Oh, D, I'm gonna transform into a duck to float on water. Here I go. Hut! Now I'm a duck. Quack, quack, quack. Whoop! Wow, look at me! Now I'm an otter! Yippee! Now look at me! I'm a frog! Ribbit! 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 Okay. Now it's time to change back to ourselves now. Okay, here we go. Man, this is so much fun. Wasn't it, O? Yeah, it sure is. Wait! Wait a minute. A goose? Why am I a goose? It's because you jumped into the pond, and then you turned into a goose. Because goose starts with the letter G. Oh, I see. I better turn back to myself now. Well, G, why did you turn into a goose? Because I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, I know, right? Just a little bit of thing. Yeah. Whee! What? Wow! I am a beautiful swan! But why am I a swan? Oh, because you jumped into the pond, and now you transform into a swan, because S is for swan. You got it? Oh, I got it. Okay, I gotta turn back to myself now. Thank goodness I was a pretty swan. Thank goodness. I so much to meet. It's nice to meet you, F, D, O, and G. Nice to meet you, S. Oh no! Guys, look out! Here comes a quail! Huh? Oh no! Oh no! Ah! Oh, hello, Q. Oh, hi, S, F, D, O, and G. It's so nice to see you. What was that sound? I don't know what sound it is. I know what sound. What? It's thunder! Look everyone, it's B, and he's transformed into a bird. Oh, hi B. Hi Q, S, F, D, O, and G. I know how to take shelter in the grass. Let's take shelter in the rock, the grass, the grass. Let's go. That storm is, the big storm is so scary. I know, right? It's so scary. How long is it gonna last? I don't know. It'll be over soon, and the sun will come out. I don't know what it is, and I know. Look, guys, the rain has stopped. The thunder has stopped. The storm is gone, and the sun is coming out. We're so glad that storm is over. Thank you, B. And look at me! I am a beautiful butterfly, and B is for butterfly. I'm gonna fly away.
Do you know that basket?
Woohoo! Well, the big storm is over and the sun will shine. I will just hide and start the day with your friends on Alphabet Adventure.